In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram multiple photo tagging. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now, head over to your profile and tap on this plus icon. Then select post. Now go ahead and tap on the select option. Then from here, select multiple photos. After that, tap on next. Now, if you want, you can do some editing over here. Then tap on next. Then on the final posting screen, you're going to find the option of tag people. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to tap on the option of invite collaborators. Go ahead and tap on invite. Now type in the username over here and select the person that you want to invite. Then tap on invite to confirm. Once that is done, they will need to accept your invite before it appears as collaborator on the post. Once they accept it, they are going to be tagged on all of the photos over here. Now tap on the tick mark option, then tap on share. In this way, you can use Instagram multiple photo tagging. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.